let's get right into it. Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. I'm not even gonna make this intro because I look a hot booty mess, but let's get into the products, okay? Since we are playing with the new Fenty Beauty Sunstalk'r bronzer, I think it's only right that we try to do a full face of Fenty, right? Right. So that means I'm going to start off by priming my face with this Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. This is my go-to primer whenever I'm using the Pro Filter foundation because they work well together. They were formulated that way, and that's what we're gonna do. And just so y'all know, this is my second time filming this video because my camera wanna act up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Just know that. Moving right along, we are gonna go into the product that started it all. The product that made Fenty Beauty a trendsetter. Because we know Rihanna a trendsetter. It is this Pro Filter Instant Retouch Foundation. I am in the color 360. If you watched my previous Fenty Beauty video, you know that I was going in between 360 and 385. So I picked up 360. I am going to also have to pick up 385 because it's gonna be summer and your girl gonna be nice and bronze and whatever. So this isn't gonna work for very long. And I would usually blend this out with the brush, but I ain't got no clean brushes. Don't clock me. Anyways, but I am going to use a sponge, and again, I literally just filmed this video, so that's why this sponge is already dirty, okay? I'm not that nasty. And yes, we are using a Fenty Beauty compact mirror because all Fenty everything. Fenty this, Fenty that, Fenty everything. Y'all thought this was a game? Next, I'm going into this Instant Retouch Concealer in the color 350. This was the second complexion launch that we got from Fenty, and we loved it, we needed it. They called it the cure for these under eye bags, and I'm happy about it. I'm just gonna apply a little bit because a little goes a long way. We is gonna hit that mustache. I think I wanna shave my face. I saw Jaclyn Hill's video and then I watched Carly Bible's video on shaving your face, and I think I need to shave my face because I have a lot of peach fuzz. I don't know why I keep forgetting this step, but I am going to contour with the Matchstick and Truffle. Just a little something, nothing too serious, you know, nothing too serious. We want to see the power of the bronzer, so we're not going to do a lot with the contour. See, slight work. So the moment we've all been waiting for, the brand new Fenty Beauty Sunstalk'r bronzer. I picked up the color Caramel Cutie. So Fenty Beauty actually launched 8 bronzers, variety of shades. There are 2 bronzer shades per foundation categories. I picked up Caramel Cutie, which is one of the 2 bronzer shades for the 300s. The other one is called Beige and Gal. And this one is supposed to be for tan to deep skin with neutral undertones. Anyways, said all that to say, look at this packaging. We love the fact that this is a bronzer, so the packaging is bronze. We open the compact, and of course, we got a mirror up in there, okay? And again, remember I used this already once before, so that's why it may look a little crusty dusty, but we love a good emblem. And I'm going to go ahead and tap into this bronzer. Where to fall out at? It ain't none. We are going to go ahead and bronze this skin and see what we're working with, okay? Here goes nothing. So first thing I can say off the bat is that this formula is really smooth because I'm not getting any kickback, I'm not getting any fallout, and it's going on really nicely. I don't look super powdery as I'm putting this on. Another thing I can say is this is definitely more neutral undertone. I think you guys can see that pretty well. Definitely giving me a neutral undertone here, which is cool because I'm neutral. One thing I think Fenty really wanted to emphasize is that these bronzers are for added warmth. They are not necessarily for depth or for contouring, and I know a couple of people were concerned about like the depth of shades. I am pretty interested to see other people's reviews because not only do I make reviews and make YouTube videos, y'all, I love watching YouTube videos. So I cannot wait until my deeper darker sisters pick up this bronzer and they see how it works for them because I want to see their opinions. I am low-key addicted to this bronzer, y'all. I'm addicted. I just continue to apply it and I don't even know why. Okay, that's enough. Here is the Fenty Beauty bronzer, Sunstalk'r bronzer in the color Caramel Cutie. So I think I'm going to finish the rest of my face and come back to you guys with my final thoughts. So here is the completed look. I did finish off the lips with some Fenty Beauty as well. I used the Mademoiselle lipstick in the color Thick, and I went over it with the original Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow, and this is what we're looking like. So I need to know what y'all are thinking about the bronzer. So I personally am very happy with my purchase. This retails for 30 bucks, so it's cheaper than your Kilowatts. This is my first like official bronzer purchase. I don't have a bronzer. Like, I don't have any other bronzers. The only thing I use as a bronzer is my Black Radiance contour palette. So I want to say shout out to Fenty Beauty again for giving people who formerly didn't have bronzers, giving us bronzers. Thank you so much. Again, I can't wait to see all the reviews of this product. I'm open to other people's ideas and suggestions and opinions. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm pretty sure we are very, very, very close, if not already at 7,000 subscribers. So if we're not already, help us get there. And if we are already, help us get to 8,000. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.